All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of history and world heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Everyone, today's word is brought to you by Mustafa of Grade 8 Sierra Leone. Fairness, meaning treating people equally or according to a law rule. Friends, please spell after me. Word, fairness. F-A-R-I-N-E-S-S. Meaning treating people equally or according to a law rule. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Happy morning everyone. I am Varun Tej from grade 8 Sierra Leone. Now I am going to ask GK questions. Question for grade 7. Which moral value emphasizes speaking the truth even when it is difficult? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us all appreciate them. And the answer is honesty. Question for grade 8. Standing up for what is right when alone represents which moral value? I repeat it again. Standing up for what is right when alone represents which moral value? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is courage. Question for grade 9. What value courage is being to fair for everyone of personal preferences? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us all appreciate them. And the answer is justice. Open question for all. Question number 1. Treating everyone with equal importance and dignity reflects which moral value? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us all appreciate them. And the answer is equality. Question number 2. What value is shown when you follow rules and respect authority in a positive manner? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us all appreciate them. And the answer is discipline. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Today's speech is brought to you by Kevin Kumar from Grade 8 Sierra Leone. Discipline means doing the right thing at the right time. It helps us to focus on our work. A disciplined person follows rules and it listens to guidance. It helps us to control our action and behavior. Student is with discipline finish their homework on time. It helps us to make responsible and potential. When everyone is disciplined, society becomes better, and that is why discipline is important and an important part of our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Myself K. Madhu of Grade 8 Sierra Leone. I brought you thought. Parents give birth, teachers give life. I repeat it again. Parents give birth, teachers give life. It means when we are small, parents only give birth. When we grow up, we'll go to school. That time teachers only will educate how to be in life. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Today, State and Sport News is brought to you by Pino Udit Kumar Reddy of Grade 8 Sierra Leone. State News. Madhapur Police books companies management dumping for over 300 jobs seekers and lakhs. Sport News. Ahmedabad confirmed Commonwealth Games in 2030 host in boost the Olympic hopes. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
News bulletin is brought to you by Pratik from Grade 8 Sierra Leone. International and national news is brought to you by Pratik from Grade 8 Sierra Leone. International news. Shark attack in Australia leaves women dead, man critically injured. National news. India-Indonesia defense ministers to meet in Delhi. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather report is brought to you by Mustafa of Grade 8 Sierra Leone. Temperature 30 degrees Celsius, humidity 53%, wind speed 13 km per hour, precipitation 10%. Thank you. Have a nice day.